Good morning, Broker Jeff, and happy wet and windy Thursday. That's what's going on here in the Poconos. If you take 1 second and listen, that's the rain hitting my umbrella. Right now it's 47 degrees. The low today was 42, so I guess that's while we were sleeping. A high of 58, and rain, and lots of wind. Tomorrow, Friday, clouds, only a high of 49 and a low of 40. There's something going on this weekend. As a matter of fact, Halloween is here, and there's something else going on this weekend. So, Brittany, what else do we have going on this weekend besides dodging raindrops? Brittany?
Good morning, Agent Brittany here. This weekend we are getting an extra hour of sleep. Let's turn those clocks back. Spring ahead, fall behind. So hopefully we enjoy and take full advantage of that extra hour. This weekend, Saturday, we have a high of 49, low of 32, partly cloudy. Sunday, pretty much the same, high of 53, low of 35, pretty cloudy. But we're getting that extra hour, so let's take advantage of that. I hope you all have a wonderful weekend and have a safe trick-or-treating if you go out.